Welcome back, fans, to Plan B Engineering. When we last left, our heroes were at the head-scratching phase. And when we were at the conclusion of the last segment, we were just about to inform the audience that the next phase was putting in the rest of these garden landscape retaining wall bricks, when we realized that we had a new challenge. And that's not one of our goals, but it's one of our primary outcomes here at Plan B Engineering. When we solve a problem, we tend to create new challenges. So that keeps us actively engaged and gives us things to do. So when I was kind of prototyping this and I was laying these bricks around, and I would come to these kind of folds, I would simply kind of fold it all up, press it down as much as I could, and then just keep laying the bricks, which worked fine in the prototyping phase. But sometimes when you prototype something, it doesn't really achieve the same kind of performance results in the real world. And in our real world, we have a bunch of quickcrete dust inside of our liner, so we couldn't fold it anymore. So no problem. We could put another brick on the other one side of that fold, and on each side, and then we just needed to go back to the the Home Depot or the Lowe's or wherever you want to shop, and just find another brick for that. And so we did that and took our tape measure. We very carefully measured this, as engineers are prone to do, and got all of our dimensions and all of our specifications all typed up and approved, and went off to the store and found just skid after skid of these bricks. Those stores are they're amazing. They got lots of good stuff. And so we took out the tape measure and started searching for the one that would fit this hole. And it turned out, with all those skids, they were all almost precisely the same dimensions, and so none of them fit that. So Plan B, we decided to fabricate one. So just in case there's anyone out there foolish enough to resort to Plan B, I'll show you how you very precisely fabricate one of these bricks. And I see I'm going to need another tool, so we'll be right back.